Quick release VESA bracket? Vivo VAD-2 is the answer, so let's get started. First of all, we're gonna face a quick unboxing of the plate. Very small package, particularly compact. Inside this thing we have a little bag with nuts, long and short bolts, washers and plastic spacers, plus obviously the VESA bracket, the plate and the manual. Plate mounting is very simple. It is sufficient to understand if the back of the monitor is curved or flat to decide whether or not to use the spacers. Then it's enough to screw the bracket on the screen, avoiding tightening it too much. Now the bracket is ready to be attached to the plate. Let's talk about dimensions. This model fits 75 and under millimeters and the weight capacity is 22 pounds or 10 kilos. The quick release system is metallic and very robust, supported by a spring that keeps it in place correctly, ensuring maximum safety. I bought 2 of these plates, spending less than $12 each. If you think that was interesting, please like the video and subscribe the channel.